Hello everyone, my name is Janvi Kanoria and I am the Director of Innovation at Education Above All. Education Above All is a Qatar-based foundation and we focus on SDG 4, helping the world's most marginalized children achieve access to quality education. Through our programs and partners, we work in over 70 countries with more than 10 million children. We were concerned about the large gap in core literacy and numeracy competencies that is only getting further compounded with the prolonged school closures due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It is universally recognized that these are some of the most core life and academic skills that are required for success more broadly. With our Internet Free Education Resource Bank, or IFERB, we have developed project-based learning resources that help learners with different math concepts using everyday household objects in an interdisciplinary manner. Our IFERB bank tackles all subjects as well as 21st century skills, and all the projects are available on our website for your use. Math is all around us and so important to our everyday life. When we buy something in a shop, measure ingredients in a recipe, negotiate a salary at work, or even cut a pizza. And yet, almost 56% of children and adolescents around the world do not have basic math proficiency. But a persistent challenge is a lack of resources to practice and apply these skills, which is essential in building confidence for using these math skills in different contexts. With no access to internet or gadgets, there are no options for e-learning or online learning, so just imagine the learning loss and the lack of practice for those who are digitally disconnected. This lack of practice also results in a complete lack of confidence, with many marginalized learners developing negative attitudes towards math. We often hear, "I hate math," from the children we work with. Most of our learners who come from poor homes do not have many of the educational resources, so we have to find new ways to plug this gap. Finally, in spite of having compounded learning loss, we realize that many of them do not have access to very qualified educators and teachers to support the learning. With these constraints in mind, we designed the Math Game Catalog, a set of over 100 math fluency games developed for technology-free and resource-free settings. Our Math Games Catalog is designed for an engaging and playful learning experience in these low-resource contexts. They require no technology, gadgets, or internet connectivity, so once downloaded from our website, they can be played anywhere. The games allow for students to play independently. Students aren't required to be physically present in school or even have a teacher there to support them. The games come with a set of clear, simple instructions that a child with an untrained facilitator can follow. They also require basic items such as pencil, papers, or other household items which are easily available. We also give alternatives and provide instructions to help learners make their own dice or playing cards or any other resource. And finally, like all games, they're designed to be a lot of fun. So the games are designed that learners can compete with each other, either as single players or as teams, and they bring in the elements of competition, collaboration, timing, as well as the thrill of winning. The math games are not meant to teach students new concepts. Instead, they're meant to help them practice the math skills and concepts and apply them in different contexts. This is to help them gain fluency, problem solving, critical thinking, and overall confidence. Designed for the ages of 4 to 14 years, divided into 4 levels, based on the learnings from 5 international curricula, and mapped to a competency map based on Khan Academy. This ensures that we can accommodate all ages and levels of learners, but we can also allow for them to advance to new content. We've been supported by the M-Education Alliance and the Julia Robinson Math Foundation in creating this. The catalog includes a background guide with all our design choices, relevant details, and explanations for a seamless implementation. Our competency framework to help choose the levels of the learners and guide curriculum mapping. A back-end resource log that has identified multiple online open source math activities and resources for all levels of learners mapped to the different skills, many of which are inspirations for the games that we have developed. The core offering, that is 25 plus detailed math games for each of the levels that target some of the essential skills with clear instructions on how to play the game. For each of the games, we have a specified set of rules, what it takes to win, steps of the game, resources required, support required, enrichment, as well as simplification suggestions. We also have monitoring and evaluation tools designed to help monitor the academic progress and increased confidence levels. Let me walk you through some examples of math games. In the toss game, 6-year-olds or level 1 students will throw crumpled paper balls into bowls or cups which have any number between 20 and 100 written in them. Each learner gets 2 or 3 throws and then they add up the numbers written in their cups. Those with the highest final number will win. Children really enjoy beating their friends with these tosses and in the process learn addition. There are many different variations to this game, and we have suggested them to make this a game that children can play again and again and again. Or in the jumping prime game, which is a level 2 game. One team of students will hold up a number, and the second team of students have to identify whether these numbers are a prime number or a composite number by either standing up or sitting down. You can get extra points if you also identify the factors of the composite number. The team with the maximum points again wins. Our hope is to empower learners with these fun games that can be played in any resource-free setting to really cultivate confident students who just love math. We also want to support parents, help their children to apply math skills in different settings by breaking down all these complications of math and providing simple, easy-to-play games with detailed instructions. Finally, to help educators have all the resources that they need to help students practice at home or in school and gain important problem-solving, critical thinking, and fluency skills. In order to access the math games, please visit our website at resources.educationaboveall.org. Please navigate to the math games section, choose your level and access the games. Please find all the additional documents in the educator section. If you are looking for more math resources, go to the IFERB section and based on the level of the learning, filter for numeracy projects. EAA will constantly be updating our resource bank, so do reach out to us with any suggestions and feedback on innovations@eaa.org.qa. So come, let's play math.